you filming me? Yeah, you are.
Do you like public health?
I do.
Hey Rachel, what's up?
Hey, not much. How are you?
I'm fine. How are your classes going?
Good, pretty good. How about you?
Oh, it's good, you know. I don't know. It's the end of the semester. How are your, what are you taking? I forget.
So I'm taking exercise science, English, public health actually is a really fun class.
Really?
Yeah, it's
What's
really
that about?
fun. It's just about like the conditions in which people can be healthy and stuff like that.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Skeptical.
Well, maybe we could kind of like walk around and I can like show you what public health is. It's really nice outside actually.
Yeah, I mean, it's not snowing today, so yeah, let's do it.
Let's go for it. So let's go over this way first.
Okay.
So this is the ramp that leads down to the Tang, and one of the things that's really good about this is that it's wheelchair accessible, and also it's not a really steep incline, so it makes it really easy for everyone to walk down it. So this is a great example of public health.
That's true. I didn't think about that.
Yeah, so public health is really everywhere, and this is one really good example of it.
Hey, Katie Ann, what's up?
You guys seen all the mud that's over here in this path?
Oh, that's so gross.
It gets all over your
Ew.
boots. It's everywhere. It's really gross, honestly.
You know what? That's bad public health. That would be a really good spot for a nice little sidewalk, a nice little path. People could walk through without getting muddy and dirty.
Do you want to come on a walk? Just showing me about public health.
It's gonna be really
I
awesome.
feel like, aren't you in this class with her?
I mean, I am, but I never show up, so I don't know what public health is either.
Yeah, so come
So-
along.
Great,
yeah.
I'll get you guys
Alright,
ready for the
sounds good.
exam. Let's go.
Ooh, look, a bus. That's good public health. Public transportation, y'all. This is a good example of public health.
Hello,
Are you from SCEMS?
I am from Scouts. I'm an EMT.
Public health!
Public health!
So where's their public health over here?
So actually right here there's a bike rack, which is a really great example of public health because it encourages people to live healthier by biking instead of taking a car or maybe something else that's less healthy. So that's great. And then also over here we have our bus, which is really awesome because it's a great form of transportation to downtown. It encourages carpooling, which reduces the impact on the environment. And it's also just really accessible for people who don't have a car or another form of transportation.
That's cool.
Yeah.
What about the
Well,
taxi?
that's a taxi, yeah.
The taxi is actually public health also because it encourages people to carpool and it reduces the impact on the environment.
That's cool. I didn't think about that.
Woo! Public health. Hey, there's handicapped spaces. Is that public health?
Oh,
That is public health. It's great wheelchair accessibility for people who need to easily get to the dorms. The blue light's really great because it promotes safety so that people are more likely to walk back at the end of the day, and it just helps people feel more safe and comfortable walking around campus.
What about the garden? Would this be public health?
I don't know, what do you think?
Well, I think it would, because wouldn't it encourage local and sustainable goods, and it's just a nice visual too on campus.
Definitely, yeah. It encourages green space and people to eat healthier and just get outside and do what they love.
That's cool. You're teaching me so much.
Yeah, it's awesome. Public health. So here we are. This is a really great example of public health. This is a crosswalk, so it makes it really easy for pedestrians to cross while feeling safe. And there's also a stop sign so that cars know that people are going to be walking by. It promotes safety for everyone.
So what about this sign that takes you off the stairs?
Yeah, definitely. That's a great example of public health. It's so people don't slip if there's snow and ice on the stairs.
There's still snow.
This is public health!
So this would be public health because it encourages outdoor exercise and all good things.
green space. So this trailer that Health Services and Counseling Center used to use while they were getting renovations is not a very good form of public health now that is abandoned. The trailer just sits here, and in the winter when we have 6 feet of snow, we can't get around it either way, so it causes you to have to go onto the main road, which can be very dangerous, as you can see with cars going by.
What is public health?
If you
What?
Google it, that's cheating.
I was going to Google it. I guess how the community takes care of themselves. I mean, the amount, as far as exercising and stuff like that.
Yeah, just about everything's public health, so there's
Yeah,
really no
but there's so
wrong
many
answer.
different ways to look at that. That's the thing.
Exactly.
Because public health could involve even the flu.
Exactly.
The amount of people that are getting sick and how can we prevent it and all the other kind of things.
This is the health services office where people can come when they're not feeling well and they need to see a nurse or a doctor or anything like that. So it definitely promotes public health and stops the spread of infection on campus, and it makes everyone feel better.
You know what really bothers me, you guys?
What?
Is that there's no staircase here to go to this parking lot over here. You have to walk all the way around, or you have to have a friend get you through Joe Toad down into the basement.
Why is that public health?
Because it makes it inaccessible to get to where you need to go, you know? And it's hard to get to Northwoods this way. It just makes it a little bit less convenient.
Okay, so this is another form of public health, having social justice around campus. As we see sex work decriminalization, just like we wrote a paper on earlier this semester.
So this is the last stop on our tour. This is the chapel, which is a great example of public health because it promotes mental and spiritual health. It's a great spot for people to get away when they're feeling stressed or disconnected from their environment. And it's just a really nice spot on campus to hang out.
It's a cool idea.
Yeah. Oh my god, look who it is.
Hey,
Hey.
what are you guys doing? Well, I asked Rachel how her day was going and just to see what her classes were like, and 40 minutes later we're here.
Taking a great tour of public health. What do you think public health is?
I don't know. Health of the public.
Health of the public.
Yeah.
Nice. That's what I thought too.
Right.
Yeah.
I've
well,
learned more.
I mean, I feel like maybe you should take a tour because you seem a little confused about what public health is.
Ooh, time though.
Oh, you got it?
Go.
Oh,
Yeah.
you got it. Okay.
See you later.
Okay. All right. Bye, guys. So this is the public health office where people.
This is the
No.
public health office? We have one
What
of
is
those?
it? Health services.